this is going to be amazing. We are going to hit another level.
You should really do that.
You should really trust me. Listen. If you do it, you're not going to regret it. I know this for sure.
Yeah.
Everybody else tried once, but they don't have the guts like you do. To be honest, you are the one and the only one who can easily do this. Now, if you think I'm sounding crazy, well, yeah, I am. But I'm the good kind of crazy.
What else?
You must show the world what are you capable of, and not just sit on you. Sometimes, technology just amazes me. Hey, how you doing? Toris here. Now, you can call that a weird intro, but I was just trying to illustrate how beneficial a noise-cancelling earbuds like this one can be. So today's video is about, you guessed it, a tech review. So this in-ear earbud is called the OVC H15. Now in the box we will find a nice carrying case, which is always a nice touch for travelers. I'm glad they included that. Also some documentation which will nobody read. Yeah, let's see the goodies now. Why is this turned on? Never mind. In the case we can find some additional ear tips. A plane adapter, which can be handy if you are traveling with an older plane and want to get involved in the entertainment. A micro USB to USB to charge the earbuds and the earbud itself. I really like these braided cables. It expands the life expectancy and it also feels much nicer when you are handling it. Now the ear tips, when I put it on, I can tell you that it feels comfortable, but the ear tips is just slightly bit big for me. I can't help it, I got really small ear canals. And yep, you can shake your head all you want, they're not gonna fall out. Also, I was able to keep them on for a longer period of time without feeling uncomfortable. Control wise, we can find the standard 3-button layout, which allows us to control the volume with the plus and minus buttons. Also play or pause the music or even answer the calls with the multifunction button. Also on the side there is a slider which will turn on the bass boost. And that small dot over here is the built-in microphone. On the near end of these earbuds we can find the noise cancelling module, which is rechargeable, and as the manufacturer says, it can last up to 60 hours of playtime. There's also a button which will turn the noise cancelling on and off, and these two indicator lights will let you know if it's on, as well as about your battery life. Sound quality was a big surprise for me. I mean, I really thought that for a small price like this, it won't deliver the sound as good as its competitors. But boy oh boy, I was wrong. The best part is that you can control the audio quality. With the bass boost on, you will get nice and rich songs on the low end, which is really handy if you are into hip hop or rap or this sort of music. But if you want to listen to something else, you just simply turn it off and you will get a nice, clear and crisp sound. This is why I like these earbuds. You can really use it for basically any type of music. Now the noise cancelling was a surprise as well. I mean, how can you do this OVC for this amount of money? So with the NC off, the sound quality is great. And when you turn it on, you do get a slight bump in sound quality, but it's barely noticeable. I have tried it in public transport and in crowded places, and I can tell you the experience is much different compared to normal earbuds. You will still hear people talking and horns and stuff like that, but it definitely blocks a fair amount of low-end noise and you can completely submerge into your music. I gotta say, I'm really impressed. We can see things out there that they are way more expensive than these, and these, they sound just as good, if not better, than some of those big brand headphones. But at the same time, I wouldn't recommend it for workout because, let's be honest, with the noise cancelling module on the near end and with this long cable It really ends up on the heavier side. But I do recommend it for people who travels a lot, because the noise cancelling really comes in handy on planes or on public transport. So in conclusion, you will get one of the best noise cancelling headphones for a really low price. And you can change the audio quality on the go. 60 hours of noise cancelling playback time, which is more than enough. But on the negative side though, these earbuds are a bit heavy, but they are still comfortable to use. I mean, the weight distribution is on point, so they will not fall out. And also, this may just includes me, but these ear tips are a bit small. I really like to see if OVC could include smaller ear tips for the future. Please. Let me know what do you think about these noise cancelling earbuds down in the comment section. Also, let me know if you have ever tried or you want to try noise cancelling headphones. Would you like it? Would you not? Anyway, leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you are a fan. Thank you ever so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.